India, when the COVID wave hit, was capable of doing just about a few hundred RT-PCR tests in a day. And this is, the public sector and the private sector put together. I must say that the government encouraged and the private sector really came into its own. And very soon, both hand in hand, and this is really an example that the private sector and the public sector can work together. Very quickly, not only did the number of labs doing RT-PCR tests ramp up, and the government had mandated that only private sector labs which were NABL accredited would be allowed to do RT-PCR testing for COVID-19, which is right because you can't compromise on quality. And that's where NABL as an organization got its act together, and online, accreditation was given. And believe you me when I say probably the online, accreditation process was more stringent than when it was done physically. You remember during those years, during those months, we were not able to get even masks, surgical masks, N95 masks. Nothing was available in the country. And similar was the thing with the testing kits. That's where, because everyone globally wanted the testing kits, and those countries which could pay more for it had a better chance of getting them quickly. And that's where I must say our medtech sector came into its own. And today there are nearly 120 to 150 companies which are producing these kits indigenously. And today, India has become a net exporter of these RT-PCR kits. And it's only because of that that we are able to ramp up to these numbers, and we can go beyond also.